guys, it is Officer Jack and Officer Nicholas here, and we're in the Evil Dog's lair. And oh hi. So yeah, it is pretty cool. So yeah, so come on, let's go down. We're trying to get the Evil Dog. I know it may sound pretty random, but it is what we got. So we have Officer Nathan here. Hi. And Officer Nicholas. And me, Jack. And this is a secret agent guy that destroys all humanity and destroys all bad guys. And we have Officer Nathan. He has destroyed all kinds of evil dogs, right? Okay, so come on. You got the gun? Yep. Let's into this. Okay, come on. Where's the evil dog? Right here. Oh my gosh.
Holy Jack!
Okay, come on. Go, 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 go! Go! Ah! Dang it.
Oh.
This is gonna take so long. Oh, I'm so mad. Come on, let's go. Shoot, oh my god. Spider web. Oh my god. Shoot. Oh my god, Tommy! Okay, come on, guys. Catch that little fool. Where's the evil dog now, dude?
Escaping, it's right there!
Yeah. Okay, come on. Where's the evil dog now?
Got it!
Good, finally you have the evil dog. Now.
That's mine.
Oh, what's that?
Holy.
Seems like one bullet. Let's go check it out in this crime. Let's go check it out in the crime scene. Hey, who are you?
Samantha.
Okay, well, hey, would you want to join our squad of evil dogs? Trying to destroy the evil dog?
Because I always I think the phone is good for this bullet. I always chase that dog.
Yeah, okay, well, that's the evil dog. You can have that inside. And we go
Where's my sword?
in hunting. Let's kill these
Found the bullet for this gun, I think.
in fools. Okay, come on, guys, let's go. Dude, I found a sword. Okay.
Got this weird looking sword.
Whoa, this is pretty good. Let's shoot her again. It's gonna take forever. Oh! Oh man! Oh! So mad. We gotta go check the dog. But how though? Oh, I got my binoculars. I don't see her.
I changed my weapon to a gun.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Hey, Dad, it works!
Okay, thanks. You let me have that.
Just for a second.
God, this is so cool. Okay. Okay.
You know where
Oh,
mine
it's a pretty good gun.
on it? There's the little. I've got some chain.
Oh, that looks like a pretty good gun.
bombs.
Okay,
I've got
guys.
some chain bombs.
Okay, guys, are we ready?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go kill this! Oh! We gotta go somewhere to get to. Go in there. tamed. Well, I guess that's the end of that. See you later, you piece of... Wait, piece of... Man, those pieces of poop, man, dogs are horrible. Okay, well, guys, I'll see you later. To kill those fools, all the time it makes me mad. But anyway, it's Officer Jack, Officer Nicholas, and actually Commander Samantha, and we have Officer Nathan. Tune in next time.
Hi, Doodle.